In 2026, artificial intelligence isn't just a trend. It's the backbone of entire industries, from finance to healthcare. AI is quietly creating a new class of assets that smart investors are already accumulating. But here's the real question. What AI assets should you actually own right now before the next wave hits? In this video, we'll break down 3 powerful AI assets you should consider owning in 2026, backed by data and long-term growth potential. Welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about staying ahead in tech, finance, and future trends, you're in the right place. Let's skip the hype and focus on what actually matters: ownership, scalability, and long-term value. First up, AI infrastructure. Every AI tool you see, chatbots, image generators, self-driving systems, runs on massive computing power, and that power comes from companies building the foundation. We're talking about GPU manufacturers, cloud computing giants, and data center providers. These companies are not optional, they're essential. The global AI market is projected to surpass $1.8 trillion by 2030. Instead of betting on one AI app that might fail, you're investing in the picks and shovels. Just like the gold rush, look for companies leading in AI chips, cloud platforms scaling AI workloads, and businesses investing heavily in data centers. Risk factor, high valuations. Some of these stocks are already priced for growth, so timing matters. The second asset is AI-powered digital assets. YouTube automation, AI-generated blogs, and automated content businesses, unlike stocks. These assets can generate monthly cash flow through ad revenue, affiliate income, and sponsorship deals. Content creators using AI report up to 70% faster production time in 2026. Attention is the new oil. Key advantage, you control the asset. You're not just investing, you're building your own scalable income engine. The third and most underrated AI asset is data. AI models are only as powerful as the data they're trained on. Whoever owns valuable data owns the future. We're already seeing this in industries like healthcare, finance, and e-commerce. Companies pay massive amounts for industry-specific data sets. Imagine owning a data set in a high-demand niche like medical imaging. That data can be licensed repeatedly, like renting out digital real estate. But watch out for privacy and security risks. Let's recap. AI infrastructure stocks, AI-powered digital assets, and AI data ownership. Don't just use AI, own a piece of it. If you found this valuable, hit like and subscribe. Which AI asset are you planning to invest in first?